So dito din ako nakapag-intro. So yeah, pasensya niyo na. Going to? Ano?
Langan.
Star Mall. For my concert.
You see this ID, you see your ID.
For my
Your ID for a Star Mall. His makeup and his lipstick. Like that. And did that. Later guys, we're gonna go there for after first 10 minutes. Bye bye.
We're at Star Mall na. Punta tayo sa stage namin. Ayun! Ayun guys. Ayun na, nakita ko na sila. Una na po. Yan o. Yan. Yung stage. That's our stage. So, dyan na kami magkakanta. And yeah. Bye-bye. I'll see you in a bit because may practice lang kami. I think it's rehearsal. 5 minutes later. Okay. So, magpe-perform na ako. Sabi namin, diba? So, ano ba ginawa ko dyan? Ay, nag-ritual, nagpapugi pa talaga ko dyan. Oh. Nagpa-cute-cute pa talaga eh. Yan o, diba? Oh, tape check, ubo check. Okay lang pala. So, I'm gonna sing my first song. And it's Ikaw Lamang. And yeah, abangan yan guys. Abangan nyo yan. I-post ko na lang sa profile ko yung video. And kasi hindi ko siya, ewan ko kung ako, ano ko siya, masasama ko siya dito ng video. Or dito lang lang. But it's better na ano ko siya. Check my first song. So ayan, oo, diba? Oh, pugi talaga malakad eh. Kaninong anak yan? My second song. So, nangyari dito is binaligtad ni Henry yung nag-record. So, yan. Nagaman yan yung VA dyan. this is my awarding and my graduation, and yes, yeah.